Can we just take a moment for this crumb? This is exactly how a carrot cake should look like. It's soft, perfectly spiced, and honestly, it's just hard to stop at just one slice. So I'm going to show you how to make this carrot cake using these ingredients, okay? Pepitas, they are completely optional, but I love the texture they bring. Don't skip the pecans if you can help it. They really take this cake up a notch. Okay, so 1 cup of pecans, there we go. And then we're going to bring everything to the oven to roast. Meanwhile, let's get our dry ingredients together. Into a bowl goes 2 cups of plain flour, and then we've got a teaspoon of baking powder. Don't worry about remembering the measurements. I've included the full recipe in the description box below. Baking soda. Don't be shy with the cinnamon, okay? It knows it's the main character. It's what gives the carrot cake its signature flavor, so we're just gonna be generous. And lastly, add some salt. This step only takes a minute, but your cake would thank you. A quick sieve saves you from mysterious flour pockets later, so it's a must. In go the eggs. They're here to keep everything together, so we're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs. I'm using white sugar today, but my favorite combination is half white, half brown. It gives the cake a lovely caramel nut. Add oil for moisture and give the white ingredients a good whisk until everything is smooth and happy. Now we add the dry ingredients. Once the flour goes in, mix just until you can't see any dry streaks. So this is where the cake finally starts looking like cake. But again, don't overdo it. So as soon as everything comes together, just stop. We want a soft, tender cake here, not an arm wrestling competition. So this is about it. This is good. Our roasted nuts are ready, so let's give them a rough chop. I like having a few bigger pieces for extra crunch. So something like this, okay? Freshly grated carrots are non-negotiable here. So the more the carrots, the softer the cake and moister it will be. And guys, an orange zest goes a long way for that citrus note. You won't notice it straight away, but you definitely miss it if it wasn't there. I'm adding the nuts and the carrots to the batter, then I'm going to fold in gently. Don't be surprised if the batter loosens up as it sits, just as the carrots releasing their natural moisture. And we don't add any water here to this recipe, okay? So if your cake ever turns out to be a little dry, try using freshly grated carrots and avoid over baking. The carrots do all the work when it comes to keeping this cake beautifully moist. So we're just going to keep on folding in a splash of vanilla to round out all those warm flavors. So we're just mixing. So I'm just going to gently fold it again, and now I'm going to transfer everything to the cake tins. I've already lined them up. So as you can see, the batter is thinner. It means that our carrots did the work. These are 8-inch cake tins, by the way. Everything looks nice and neat. I'm going to bake this cake on the middle rack at 160 degrees fan forced or 175 degrees conventional, depending on whatever oven you have. It's all good. And here she is. If your cake looks like this, you have absolutely nailed it. I'm going to get a little extra today with cream cheese frosting and caramel filling. The caramel is completely optional, but it pairs beautifully with the warm spices. The full cream cheese frosting recipe is linked on the screen above. I'm finishing the cake with a coating of cake crumbs and toasted nuts for a simple rustic finish. It's one of my favorite ways to decorate a homemade carrot cake. If this cake ends up on your table, let me know how it turned out. I'll see you in the next bake.